down for a minute without the hype though, cause people stuck in the dark like their lights broke. The pressure's on, so every song I pick the right quotes. Now I got reach in the hood as well as with white folks, and every corner there's someone hoping I might choke. But I got news that they might be there forever, like Ali in a notebook waiting on a fucking letter. Cause when it comes to rap, it's hard to find somebody better than me. So hold up, cause ain't nobody told us. All we knew was cold cuts and cherry fruit roll-ups, and now they tell us legislation simply ain't for us. But I got dynamite in my music, I'm about to blow up. So whoa now, slow down, I'm ready for the showdown. You want it, you can get it, shit, I got enough to go round. Cause ain't nobody in my circle worry about the fame. We just tryna make an imprint on the game. But you ain't know, you ain't know, you ain't know. Let me introduce myself again. But you ain't know, you ain't know, you ain't know. Someone should've told y'all. My new philosophy, fuck the world if they knocking me. I'm about to buy preposterous properties like Monopoly, and ain't no stopping me to the day that they properly crown me the one anomaly inside of this democracy, man. That's period, no commas or apostrophes. We're caught up in the cryptic policies, so much hypocrisy, damn. Now I focus on hits and collaborations ever since the proven theory gave the nation revelations like, hold up, cause ain't nobody told us. All we knew was cold cuts and cherry fruit roll-ups, and now they tell us legislation simply ain't for us. But I got dynamite in my music, I'm about to blow up. So whoa now, slow down, I'm ready for the showdown. You want it, you can get it, shit, I got enough to go round. Cause ain't nobody in my circle worry about the fame. We just tryna make an imprint on the game. But you ain't know, you ain't know, you ain't know. Let me introduce myself again. But you ain't know, you ain't know, you ain't know. Someone should've told y'all.
What's up, YouTube? We're about to meet someone y'all may know, may not know.
Take the clothes off my
up, YouTube? With my boy R in the gym, Alphalete gym.
Killing it, guys.
This is triceps now. We're hitting some chest, triceps. If we have enough time, we're gonna try to get a little quad pump, right?
Quad pump. And some calves.
Calves for sure. Because we've been skipping those pretty over the break pretty often. So that's what we're doing right now. In the Alphalete gym, working hard, sweating, getting a good pump, getting a good workout in. Russell's sat up over there. Art was lucky enough to get to record him. Lucky. But other than that, probably gonna be vlogging the rest of the day. So I hope you enjoy it. Hope you enjoyed those clips of the workout. We'll see you after this. Squat up.
Wanna be on? Dude, somebody. Alright, you're freaking jumping.
You want some clothes? Go to alphalete.com. LOL. Alrighty guys, well, probably gonna go get something to eat here pretty soon. I'll stay vlogging. Today I'll be vlogging. So stick with me.
Follow me to the path to success.
You heard him. That's probably gonna be a windy vlog. It's first time? Chipotle. Chipotle. YouTube. Goals, relationship goals, y'all. Hey, thank you, bro. So swole. Say hi.
Hello.
Doso. No EC4.
Daniel. Hey, camera on my eye.
Nick.
Cameraman.
This thing is spicy.
With the fam. I don't know. About y'all? Get back on the highway. Hey.
Yes, you should.
Guys are lost in Houston. Co-pilot is giving us some wrong directions.
No, I'm not.
Second co-pilot gave us some wrong directions también.
Okay, so. No.
But y'all say hi to them.
Why can't we have more like this?
Y'all wanna go ice skate? Y'all wanna go ice skate?
What's up, guys?
Where we at right now? That was smooth. We're here at the Galleria in Houston, Texas right now. Just exploring the place. We just want to be checking stuff out. What the fuck? We're just checking places out. Probably gonna find somewhere to eat. Buy some things, right, Art?
Yep.
H&M.
One. What color you want to get? Which one?
Tesla. Look at the fingerprint.
Green, dude.
What's up, YouTube? Last day in Houston. Last few hours in Houston, actually. Later on, we'll be in Galveston for the last 2 days. We'll be coming back home Saturday. But we are at the K1 Speed. Gonna race some little race carts here with the friends. Probably gonna do. I think we're just doing one race, and then we'll head out back to Galveston. So check it out. Ready to rumble.
Danny. Hey, you suck though. We got Roman on first place. Tim just lifted.
Come on, Roman.
Nothing to worry about. Best one in the team. And then Nick, Noe, Ari, Jesse. Where's Danny? Where's Danny?
Look at little kid back.
Damn, Danny, you suck.
So this is our beach house, guys, for spring break.
What's good, homies?
Hello, sir.
Welcome to my mansion.
Welcome to my crib.
Yeah.
MTV Cribs?
MTV Cribs coming at you. Don't know what that is.
Wait, what's
Walking up the steps. This is a little neighborhood. I just heard someone lock the door, so.
Gosh, we have little kids here.
Kitchen, living room area.
Where are we sleeping at, Ruben?
I don't know.
Hey, where are we sleeping at?
Yeah, that's like,
Kitchen. This is one room.
That's this room. What's the...
Ari? What do we got over here?
No, I think Frank has this one too.
Frank too?
Yeah, because
Then there's beds in the closets.
I think this is Frank. No, this is Frank's and this is Nick's. There's two.
Hey, if anybody wants to sleep with me, I'm sleeping in that big room.
Yeah, that's where
I think that's where what's
Jesse and
There's an extra bed under there that you can pull out.
I
there's
can't
two
talk.
beds, so you could even make it